Hello, Isaac here once again with Engine Room Detailing. Today we're on the beautiful boat, Free Spirit. We're going to take a look at things that need to be addressed in the engine room to bring it up to par. And if we start with the motors, as you can see, over time, rust and oxidation start appearing. And it's ready for a good once over. These engines really could be repainted. It's a situation which it gets sanded down, masked off real nice, and resprayed, all a uniform type paint instead of like multi-colors. Addressing areas like this, maybe repaint those. Various pumps and motors. And washing the whole entire engine really clean. Every single square inch gets totally washed, really nice. Generator covers, pull them out. Clean generators all night, touch them up. And touch up little scratches and stuff like this. Around like the covers. We're going to address a lot of bare metal that you'll see everywhere. Like these frames. The floors could get sanded down. I could use another coat. Repaint the floors. And really go through and clean the buildings really nice. And detail various pumps and motors like this. Paint the walls, sand and repaint the walls. Make them look nice and shiny and clean. They're ready for them. You can use a coat. Everything gets pulled out, cleaned up real good. And address all the electrical boxes and stuff. Clean them up very carefully. Clean them. Make them nice and shiny. Stuff like this. Even that box could be updated into a nice white. Some things, you want everything kind of look like this. That's what we want to try to do. So, brush. So stay tuned and we'll give you some options of what can be done, and we can take it from there.